Happy New Year, everyone! Blessed day to everyone and each of you. Eto na guys, gumagawa tayo ng sarili nating recipe, original. Hindi ko alam kung anong itatawag dito. So kayo na po ang bahalang magsabi kung anong gusto nyong itawag rito. Gumawa po ako ng sarili kong cream. Okay, yung cream na ito ay dapat sana na cream of chicken or cream of mushroom, pero wala po tayong nabili, sirado ang mga store. So gumawa po tayo, ang ginamit ko po rito ay isang napaka sarap na nor na ito guys, powder. Yan. Tapos nilagyan po natin ito ng special tapioca flour. Ayan. Nakita nyo guys. Tapos, yung pinakuluan ko ay ang sausage, sweet sausage, at merong bacon. May Chinese sausage din. Guys, 4 kinds of sausage ang nandito, including yung Chinese sausage. Kaya, napakasarap niya talaga. Ngayon, ito ang ilalagay natin. Instead na spaghetti, kasi di ba gumagawa tayo mga spaghetti, lalo na tayo mga Pilipino. Hindi natin ilalagay yung spaghetti na sauce, kundi ito nga sa paggawa nito. Hold on. Ito po ang ating Chinese sausage. Ayan, paborito yan ng pamilya ko. So, malinis ang kamay ko guys ha. So, ito na. Lalagay na natin. Tapos yung mga ano na yan, yung mga pinagtitbits natin at kinrush natin at kinat natin ng iba-ibang size. Ayan, ako na tanggal yung ating yan. Yan. Lalagay natin. It's according kung gaano kadami ang ating nagawang sauce. Kaya ihalo muna natin. Tama na to guys. Huwag natin masyadong lagyan ng pasta. Ng spaghetti pasta. Para mas creamy siya. Yan. Tapos lalagyan natin ito ng crispy onions. Guys, ito ang paborito kong panglagay ay ang crispy onions. So, once na nilagay na natin ito sa setting, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang finished product, guys. Okay, so ngayon, iaano na natin ito para hindi tayo mahirapang maghalo. Okay. Iaano ko na ha. At ipapakita ko yung yung setting niya. I love you guys. Okay guys, the moment is here. Nakaluto na tayo guys. Okay. Napakasarap Yan, hindi lang magandang tignan. Talagang napakasarap ng lasa niya guys. First time kong ginawa to, pero napakasarap talaga. Matutuwa talaga kayo guys Ay. Okay. Nahihirapan akong gamitin tong aking camera, guys. Pero ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang sarap ng pagkain na ito. Totoo yata yung sinabi ng mama at ng papa ko na pagpasok ng bagong taon, December 31st, kung anong ginagawa mo, yun ang gagawin mo sa buong taon. Kaya siguro nga, buong taon na naman ako magluluto. It's 10 o'clock na rito Ngayon lang ako natapos magluto. Kain ng kain itong bisita ko rito. Okay guys, ito na. Okay Doc, let's go and see and try this first time recipe that I made. Sumasakit, his stomach is already tired of eating. He's been eating sweet stuff, salty stuff, but this one will be the last one for tonight. So let's see and wait for him. What's he gonna say about this? I've been telling him to not eat too much because we have more food to cook. You can use the pork over there. Try it. And this is the one that actually, because Doc did not buy exactly what I have to buy, so I'm scraping everything here in the kitchen to make this thing happen. No, you can just scoop it there. Make sure that you have the meat. Okay. There's 4 kind of meat over there. Puro mga sausage, bacon. May Chinese sausage, may Filipino sausage, bacon, and an American sausage. Let's see. Ang hirap, patangkad to si Doc eh. It's too tall. So I have to... the sauce is actually homemade since you didn't buy the cream of chicken or cream of mushroom. Can you tell the sauce?
I'm not sure what the sauce is, but the flavor of the meat with the pasta is really good.
Yeah, because it's actually everything is made from scratch. Hindi na makasabi to. So I'm asking you the total value of the food. What do you think?
I just said it.
What did you say?
I said the taste of the meat and the pasta together are very tasty or good.
Okay, good. It's sarap. Nasarapan si Doc. Okay, yan ang apam natin dito, ha? Okay, thank you, Doc. God bless you all. Always remember, be human, be kind, be humble all the time. Bagyo forever. Happy New Year! Say Happy New Year, Doc.
Happy 2026.
Praying for good health and good wealth. Bye!